Hello and welcome to the Spire Academy channel. Today I will tell you how to download the legal and free updated latest version of Primavera. Absolutely free, legal copy from Oracle website. What you have to do is to follow these steps. For first step, you need to go to the official website. This is the link edelivery.oracle.com. I will provide this link into the description as well. After that, this window will appear, which looks like this. What you have to do is to click on the new user. After registration, it is a simple registration. Only you need to provide your email ID and other details. After that, you need to click on sign in, and you need to enter your username and password and click on sign in. So this was the step 2. After signing in, this is the step 3. Like once you are in, then you will see the below window here. Sorry, once you are in, then you will see the below window, and here you can search. Like there's a search bar. You can write anything, any kind of software you wanted to download, but here we wanted to download Primavera. So you need to write Primavera P6 Professional Project Management, and the 19.12 is available right now. So here Primavera P6 you should have to write here, and then after searching you will see that there are different version of softwares available. What you need to do is to click on add to cart, and after that what you have to do, then in the next step you will click on checkout. In the step 6, you need to select the platform as per your requirements again and hit continue. Now Oracle will give the option for Windows only. You will need to select the correct bit, that if you have 64-bit of PC or 32-bit, whatever. In the next step, you need to select it and agree the agreement, and then give some feedback if you want, and then start downloading. After downloading, these kind of like some files are like these. These are like the kind of files you will have in your PC, and then after downloading, you need to locate the files in your PC and then extract it. After extraction, you will have the setup file. Click on setup, and then click on typical, click on OK, and then click on install. After that, after installation, it will give you this option. Then only click on run database configuration and OK, and then click on Pro P6 Pro standalone SQLite, and then click on next. After that it will ask you add a connection to an existing standalone or add a new. You can click on add a new standalone database, then click on next. After that it will ask you about the password login. I prefer that you will give any name. The admin is like the typical name, so you can put admin everywhere. The next step, it will if you wanted to load the sample data, like if you want to have some sample projects, then you can click on this. If you don't want any sample project, then do not click on this. After that, click on next, and then finish. So that is the end. Locate this file P6 Professional in your PC, and then run it. That's the end. Enjoy P6 Professional latest version without any interruption, without any problem, directly from the Oracle website. Thank you.